So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
It's me, Carlos from Demolition Skateboarding. Me and my friend Josue went out to the park today and shot a little vid of me trying to attempt a frontside 180 off a gap into a puddle, but I ended up slipping out and failing. And I should have content coming out more in the next coming weeks, starting towards Thanksgiving, after Black Friday and stuff. I have a lot of stuff planned for this channel. Hope y'all enjoy. Like and subscribe for more content.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Shit! I think I did! Holy fuck! Dude,